At least I did it my way. Lie way too faced, but in my heart I understand. I made
Good evening, I'm Camilo, and this day I will talk about the climate change, its definition, causes, consequences, and how can we avoid this problem. We have to know that the human activity is the principal cause of the climate change. So we have to open our eyes and find a solution for this problem. How? Stop polluting the planet. What is climate change? Climate change is a change in the usual weather found in a place. This could be a change in how much rain a place usually gets in a year, or it could be a change in a place's usual temperature for a month or a season. Climate change is also a change in Earth's climate. This could be a change in Earth's usual temperature, or it could be a change in where rain and snow usually fall on Earth. Weather can change in just a few hours, but climate takes hundreds or even millions of years to change. Now, a question: is the climate of the Earth changing? Of course, the Earth's climate is always changing. There have been times when Earth's climate has been warmer than it is now. There have been times when it has been cooler. These times can last thousands or millions of years. It is a long period. People who study Earth see that Earth's climate is getting warmer. Earth's temperature has gone up about 1 degree Fahrenheit in the last 100 years. This may not seem like much, but small changes in Earth's temperature can have big effects. Some effects are already happening. Warming of Earth's climate has caused some snow and ice to melt. The warming also has caused oceans to rise, and it has changed the timing of when certain plants grow. Okay, and what is causing Earth's climate to change? Many things can cause climate to change all on its own. Earth's distance from the sun can change. The sun can send out more or less energy. Oceans can change. When a volcano erupts, it can change our climate. Most scientists say that humans can change climate too. People drive cars, people heat and cool their houses, people cook food. All these things take energy. One way we get energy is by burning coal, oil, and gas. Burning these things puts gases into the air. The gases cause the air to heat up. This can change the climate of a place. It also can change Earth's climate. Now I will talk about another theme, that is the global warming. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, cloud forests are dying, and wildlife is scrambling to keep pace. It has become clear that humans have caused most of the past century's warming by releasing heat-trapping gases as we power our modern lives. Called greenhouse gases, their levels are higher now than at any time in the last 800,000 years. We often call the result global warming, but it is causing a set of changes on the Earth's climate, or long-term weather patterns, that varies from place to place. While many people think of global warming and climate change as synonyms, scientists use climate change when describing the complex shifts now affecting our planet's weather and climate system. In part because some areas actually get cooler in the short term. Climate, climate change encompasses not only rising average temperatures but also extreme weather events, shifting wildlife population and habitats, rising seas, and a range of their impacts. All of those changes are emerging as humans continue to add heat-trapping greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, changing the rhythms of climate that all living things have come to rely on. Okay, and it is important that you know and understand about the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when gases in Earth in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat. The process makes Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live. How does the greenhouse effect work? As you might expect from the name, the greenhouse effect works like a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building with glass walls and a glass roof. Greenhouses are used to grow plants, such as tomatoes and tropical flowers. A greenhouse stays warm inside. Even during the winter, in the daytime, the sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and air inside. At nighttime, it's colder inside, but the greenhouse stays pretty warm inside. That's because the glass walls of the greenhouse trap the sun's heat. The greenhouse effect works much the same way on Earth. Gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, trap heat just like the glass roof of a greenhouse. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. Conclusion: if we take care of the environment, we will avoid problems like the greenhouse effect, the global warming, and the climate change. Also, we have to give up of using more energy than we need.